Here is how to deactivate your Instagram account. So let's get started. So Instagram has again changed the method of how to do this, and this is the latest version. So first open Instagram on your phone, then come to the profile page, which is at the bottom right. Then here, click on the three lines which are on the top right and come to Account Center. That's the first option. Once you're here, click on Manage Account. That's below. It's this option. Then here next to Instagram, just click on Manage. And now you can see the option has come to deactivate or delete. And on top, you can see the account which you'll do this for. So now just select the first option. Here select deactivate account. So this means that it will be temporarily deactivated, but you can always reactivate it just by logging in to Instagram. So if you're sure you want to do this, just click on continue. So they're saying that you lose access to all of this, but once you reactivate, you'll get it back. Just click on continue. Then just enter your password once. Select one reason over here. Then over here, scroll down, and they've said that they'll automatically reactivate in 7 days. But if you don't want this, just click on it and change it to don't reactivate automatically. Click on done. Now click on continue. And now just click on deactivate account, and then it will be deactivated. So this is how it works, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.